In this question, I am not able to integrate the direct integration method, so I have to use the another method of integration. So first I need to simplify to change the expression in such that I can use substitution method. So since 10x is sin x by cos x, so it will be cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. Now if I substitute cos x minus sin x, then the derivative of cos x minus sin x is minus of sin x minus cos x is not available in the numerator. So I need to rearrange the numerator such that there will be the derivative of cos x minus sin x will be there. So if I multiply 2 by 2 on both numerator and denominator, I'll get 1 by 2 integration 2 cos x by cos x minus sin x dx. If I rearrange the numerator such that cos x plus sin x and cos x minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx. So I can see that I just add sin x and minus sin x in the numerator, so the expression will remain same. So if I separate in two parts the expression, I'll find integration of cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx and plus integration of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x dx. From here it will be get cancelled, so integration of 1 dot dx, so it is easier to calculate the integration of this part. Now we need to find out the integration of this part. So here cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x dx, and here it is integration 1 dot dx. So integration of 1 dot dx will be x. Now I need to find out the integration of the this expression. So here I can see that derivative of cos x minus sin x, which is minus of cos x minus of sin x, is available in the numerator of the expression. So let cos x minus sin x equals to t, then its derivative will be minus of sin x minus cos x equals to dx equals to dt, or I can say that sin x plus cos x dx equals to minus of dt. Substitute the value of cos x minus sin x and sin x cos x plus sin x dx in the expression. I'll find that 1 by 2 x, the integration will transform into minus of dt by t. Now I can easily find out the integration of minus dt by t, which is minus of log t So if I substitute the value of t in the answer, I'll get log cos x minus sin x, and since it is indefinite integration, so integration constancy will be there. So this will be our final answer.